Now that's a beautiful sunrise. But being sunrise, you know what sort of time it is at this time of year, and it's cold. It's one of those things, isn't it? Oh, setting off early. Got 5 degrees right now. In about 4 or 5 hours, it's going to be 18 degrees. So, clothing on a long ride, the choice is difficult. Okay, so I'm not going to prattle on too much with the premise of today, because I can't feel my fingers right now already. Woo. I'm going to try and do a sort of lap of Cumbria today. A long ass day, somewhere around 300 kilometres today. But I've given myself loads of bail options. I'm not even sure how far I'm going to be able to make it because I have a sore knee still. I knocked it in the week and it's aching. And it hurts when I put quite a bit of power down. So, I don't know. I'm not feeling marvellous on that, but the weather is absolutely delightful. Shake dry is currently on, but as I've mentioned in a previous video, I think I've got something else coming soon, which should be a replacement for it. But yeah, let's see how the first couple of hours goes. I want to get my fingers warm. This is deeply unpleasant at the moment. Okay, I got my first test of the day coming up. It's a really naughty little hill, it's not that little, called Tow Top. I'll try and put the stats up here if I find it. This is basically going to be the test if I go home or not. I'm only 40 minutes in to see if my knee holds up. If it doesn't hold up, I'm just going to go home. There's a tear in my eye. I am in a bit of pain. A little bit worried about this. Right, okay, that wasn't awful. I'm going to get on with the rest of my day now. Okay, so you can probably see behind me, maybe, coast. I'm on the coast road, the A595. It is generally, I should say, a great road. Look, I've got a tailwind for hours now, which is awesome. Does mean I'm going to get a headwind later, which is horrible, but the only issue, potential issue that could come with running along here is the fact that Sellafield is up here, and it is obviously a major trunk road for the majority of the workers that drive along here to get there and back. I'm hoping that I can sort of wing it and get it between shifts and stuff, but yeah, I'm just conscious of holding up traffic, and that this road is wide, it's good. But Corny fell over there. Seeing where I hit my maximum speed to date of 69.3 miles an hour. Typically there's a tailwind today. Could have had a go, but it's shut, and it's been shut for a long time. I'm on a path. There's glass on it. Just pulling out of the Egremont bypass, heading towards Cockermouth, and just unpleasant, this bit.
Now, I'd normally celebrate a cycle lane, but the last time I was on this one, I think I got a puncture. A very long time ago, it was on my very first Muscular Dystrophy UK challenge. I was coming through with Tim. It involved some walking. What's going on? Oh, bloody roots. Hang on. That's not easy, one-handed. Right. Memories of my first ever park run. Just down here, down these paths. Well, oh, heck. That's not cramp, that's a twinge. Oh, hello. Behind me, the coast. I have turned east towards Carlisle, but not to Carlisle. I am away from the coast, hopefully pick up a bit of warmth, because I say it's gone chilly, and pick up a very slight tailwind. All seems to have disappeared. The one that I had down at the south end of Cumbria, that was a tailwind, turned into a bit of a crossy wind. Tiny one, but nothing to speak of. Anyway, I'm going to have to go and find somewhere to do some comfort braking. Cumbria is so varied. I know it's renowned for the Lake District and stuff, but as you've seen, you come up to the coast and it's all flat. It's really flat on the northwest side of the county. Plus, obviously, you've got the beautiful lakes and the fells and all of the valleys and what have you. You've got the gorgeous towns, some bigger than others, of course, some more hidden than others, but for the most part, what I love is the fact that you just get this openness. I mean, it is still pretty much empty. It just feels like you're out. Weather's like this, it's just beautiful. It just feels like it's all your own to play with. You can just do what you like, go where you want, just take it all in. Okie dokie, we are 100 miles, or 161 kilometres in. That's 6 hours 10 minutes or so. Can't really tell how I feel at the moment. I'm past halfway, I know that's fine. I do have bail options, but I'm to start to think about somewhere to get water filled up and get some more food, because I'm running out. I'm not running out of food, I'm running out of solid food. I've got gels. Got me applied gels, I've got some mint cake, and I've got one protein bar left. But solid food, want some good calories. I need somewhere to top up the water so I can fill up my electrolytes. Are you right? Yeah, I'm nearly out of electrolytes, but I've got another bag with a full serving in, which means I've done 100 miles on, well, that and that. Still need to drink more Scotch. I've had to stop. I might put that in my pocket, in a bag. Or I might just eat it. It might be too much, this. But chips, cake, little red ambulance, brew. Still need to top up the water. I'm a bit concerned about time. It's 20 to 2.
No, I'm not concerned about time. Got loads of time. If I don't need to eat tonight, I don't need to eat tonight. I needed hot food. That's going to be a headwind. Penrith isn't far away from here. It's only about an hour and a half. I'll see what I feel by the time I get there. I always get the train home. Oh man, this wind is just sapping the energy, physically and mentally. Bloody awful. Penrith is just a few kilometres away. That is a potential bail option, but I'm planning on getting off this road. This is the A6 in Penrith and Carlisle. It's busy and it's open. I mean, very open. I'm hoping that the little back lanes that will take me up towards Kirby Stephen are going to be less open, so I can shelter. Ah! It never ends. Oh, my head is battered. Genuinely. I'd rather go up Hard Knot and Rhinos than this. Ah, I'm gonna go find some shelter. Honestly. Oh, this is horrible. Just been 15 miles of direct headwind, and I know I shouldn't wang on about it, and I know it's a good training partner, but my God, I'm already 210 k's in, I think, today, whatever that is in Imperial, 135, 140, I don't know. Oh, so I'm moving the wall. Just I'm not a fan of the term man up, so I'm not going to use it. It's like toughen up. Oh, look at that. I think that's Broome Castle. Might be wrong. But yeah, I just get on with it, Scott. You're gonna have to excuse me, guys. I'm having a sit. In the shadow of Great Dunfell, which is just up there. Honestly, I'd rather go up there today than take this headwind home, whichever way I decide to go. Oh, it's 10 to 4. I'll have a bit of cake and see how I feel. There's Lon on a BMX. I passed him once. He's just gone past me while I've been sat. He's just said he's going to Land's End. Perspective and all that. So I'm going to go and have a chat with him. Yeah, you as well. What's your name?
Keep Smiling Adventures.
Keep Smiling Adventures. So, right, you're doing a Johnny Goes to Land's End?
Yeah.
On that?
Yeah, man.
Sweet. Why?
Why the hell not?
You see, it's right kind of human.
On day 5.
Okay, that's good.
Been averaging about 90 to 100 miles.
Sweet.
Pretty happy with that.
Just doing it for the hell. So far, favourite and worst bits?
Well, right now, because obviously I'm on a BMX.
Yeah.
Obviously I'm 6'6", so I've chosen the smallest bike I can find.
Yeah, he's got a little GT there. I used to have one of them myself.
Yeah, I haven't really been able to sit down, apart from obviously going downhill like you just saw.
Yeah.
So this wrist, I don't know if you can see that.
That's massive.
It's quite swollen.
Yeah, yeah.
A bit of a tendonitis, I would say.
So where you think you're heading to tonight then?
Ready to go to the sunset.
Okay, you.
And Oblivion.
Nice.
Because obviously on a BMX, not much storage.
No.
So everything's on my back. So
yeah, it's not like you can get a frame bag, is it?
You probably get a little one.
You'd have to get it custom made, wouldn't you? So have you done much other stuff like this?
Yeah, I've cycled the coast of Britain.
Nice.
I did Divide, years ago.
Yeah.
Did that in March, so I had like snow on the mountains.
Nice.
Cycled through the coast of Europe. I spent the last 2-3 years doing near enough every single bikepacking route in the UK.
Bloody hell.
I've been a busy boy!
Been a busy lad, wow. See, it's aspirations like this. This is kind of inspiration that you get from people. You meet folk who do daft things like this, it inspires other people to do the same thing.
Yeah, man.
Especially when you're herding, like shit like this. Uphill into the wind.
Yeah, that bloody wind. The wind is actually really annoying on BMX.
Yeah, when you're a sail,
You're literally
especially
a
a
sail.
6x6 sail.
Literally a sail.
What an awesome dude. I am, admittedly, a bit jealous of what he's doing. The ability to just, you know, decide, I'm going to do this next and get out and do it. So, yeah, go and check out his channel. I'll stick a link to it. What an awesome human. Yeah, I'm bailing because I want to get home and have a sit. I bloody hope there's a place on the train for me for the bike. How funny would that be? I'd have to actually turn around again and ride on. So yeah, I'm just going the way, well, following my nose here to hit the A6 and then go north back to Penrith. I know my way around here, so it's all good. Hang on a minute. It's only 3 miles to Shap. And over there, 20 miles. No, I'm gonna 7 miles to Penrith, but with a tailwind. I'm going that way. Definitely an off day today. Just missed the train, haven't I? Oh, it's the other way. Okay. Let's go and see if there is one. 150 miles done, so not actually that far from what I was intending to start with. This has been fine. Totally fine today. No issues, so thank you to Giant Candle. I'm going to have to get this, some lacquer on the way. I'm going to get that lacquered up because I don't want any exposed carbon. Yeah, I'm disappointed with myself today. I could have probably got on, but just my head is battered today, so I'm going to get it tomorrow and do something. Not every day can be a good day. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to go home, train to Euston. Euston? Anyway, yes. The next train, it's 40 minutes away to Oxenholme. It seems mental because it's not far away. Bloody hell. The next train, it's there. How many times do you need telling it's coming? So, yes, I'm going to get the train to Oxenholme from here, even though it's only like 20 miles, and then I've got a 4-mile ride home. Have to do. I might just get out tomorrow and do a club ride. I will see you guys on the next video. I'm going for a lie down.